Hi there! Welcome to Learn Spare Empowering Minds, one moment at a time. Today, we're talking about cats. If you're thinking about getting a cat for the first time, you're in the right place. Let's discover together which cat might be the best fit for you. First things first, picking a cat is like choosing a new friend. Some cats like to play a lot, while others are more relaxed. If you want a cat that's easy to be with, a regular cat, as we call them Domestic Shorthairs, is cool. They're like the all-stars of cats. Or maybe you like cats with folded ears, like the Scottish Fold. They're usually calm and friendly. If you want a super sweet cat, check out Ragdolls. They're really gentle and love to be with you. So think about what you want in a cat friend. Now, let's talk about their pros and cons. Every cat has things they're great at and things they're not so great at. Regular cats, Domestic Shorthairs, are good because they have different personalities, like having a bunch of friends in one, but they don't have special traits. Scottish Folds are chill, calm, and friendly, with special ears that make them extra cute. But you might need to clean their folded ears sometimes. Ragdolls are super sweet, so gentle and loving, like having a cuddly stuffed animal come to life. But their long fur needs some extra care. Burmans are social and cool, but they need a little grooming. Siamese cats love to chat and play, but they need lots of playtime. It's like picking your favorite flavor. What suits you best? So, the easiest to adopt for a first-timer is the Domestic Shorthair. These cats are easygoing, friendly, and make great companions for first-time owners. So here is 12 important tips for a first-time cat owner. Number 1. Spend time together. Before choosing, spend some time with the cat to make sure you like each other. Number 2. Patience is key. Cats might need time to adjust to a new environment. Be patient and allow them to explore and settle in at their own pace. Number 3. Provide a safe haven. Set up a quiet and comfortable space where your cat can retreat to if they need some alone time. This helps them feel secure. Number 4. Litter box basics. Keep the litter box clean and in a quiet, accessible location. Most cats prefer privacy when using the litter box. Number 5. Scratching solutions. Cats love to scratch. Provide scratching posts or pads to satisfy their natural instincts and prevent damage to furniture. Number 6. Grooming goodness. Depending on the breed, regular grooming might be necessary. Get your cat used to gentle brushing and nail trims from an early age. Number 7. Health matters. Make sure your new friend is healthy, so schedule regular veterinary checkups. Stay up to date on vaccinations, flea prevention, and dental care to ensure your cat's well-being. Number 8. Nutrition essentials. Feed your cat a balanced and age-appropriate diet. Consult your vet to determine the best nutritional plan for your feline friend. Number 9. Interactive play. All cats, no matter the breed, love to play. Cats thrive on playtime. Engage in interactive play with toys to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. Number 10. Safe and sound. Keep your home safe by removing harmful plants and securing loose cords. Cats can be curious. Number 11. Window perch pleasures. Set up a cozy perch by a window. Cats love observing the world outside, and it provides entertainment and enrichment. Number 12. Love and attention. Cats may have a reputation for independence, but they still crave love and attention. Spend quality time bonding with your new furry friend. Thanks for joining us on this fun cat adventure today. Remember, getting a cat is like adding a new member to your family. Whether it's a regular cat, one with folded ears, a super sweet ragdoll, or an easygoing domestic shorthair, there's a cat out there for everyone. Spend time with them before deciding, and you'll have a pawsome friend in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friend and loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for more fun learning on Learn Spare. Until next time, happy cat choosing.